Oh guys, thanks for tuning in and watching another video. I'm so tired. We had a crazy busy weekend and I just wanted to show you this reclip of me and Cass bowling. I got slaughtered. She's so good at bowling. You should see her bowl. This is awesome. Watch this. Yeah, and this goes on for over 30 minutes where she throws the ball down and knocks all the pins down. I throw the ball down and get none. Help me. So I did finally get a couple pins. Hooray for me. But that was near the end of the second game.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's dirty! Where are the sticks? No, the sticks.
December 4th. Easy. Easy. There you go. Hey guys, I made a video earlier about December 5th. Let me just check my watch, make sure it's December 5th. It's probably the 4th. Yep, December 4th. Oops. Anyways, we've been busy this weekend and I want to show you the wrap up of our night. Almost wrap up.
Nachos. This way, this way. No.
Watching it. It's turning colors. We haven't figured it out yet. Still turning colors. See you shortly. How do you turn this off? Oh yeah, you gotta put your finger over the camera. Okay guys, thanks again once for watching. I just wanted to show you a bit of our weekend. We haven't been making many videos, but I don't know. It was a pretty cool weekend, from date night to Christmas caroling and just awesomeness. We went and did a bunch of other things without any footage. We saw the local parade here and watched some caroling and drank some coffee and just joined in some community efforts. It was great. See you guys soon. Like and comment.